meet Missy Elliott. Missy Elliott's impound number is 464-9351. Missy Elliott is a female, tan and white short-haired Chihuahua mix, and we think she's about a year old. She came into the shelter as a stray on November 2nd from the city of Bellflower, and this sweet little girl only weighs 4 pounds. She's as dainty as they can get, and she's got those cute little bat ears, and she's such a perfect little lap buddy. She's got a very calm and easygoing personality, and she's slightly timid, but she does warm up after she gets to know you. She gets along well with other dogs, and she's great with people, and we think she'd be good with children as well. She walks well on a leash and acts like a little prancer, and she would make a great pet for anyone in any living situation. She does need to eat some chicken because she's a little underweight right now. She only weighs 4 pounds. She's tiny. So if you would like to give her the great home that she deserves and give her the little TLC and fatten her up a bit, please come down to Downey Animal Care Center today because she's the perfect little Chihuahua. She's got a great little face and just such a sweet disposition, and she'd make a great pet for anyone in any living situation.